Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I picked up the new Google leather watch band for the Pixel Watch 3. This is the Pixel Watch 3 45 millimeter. This is the, I believe it's a blue, I forgot what color they call it on the site, but I'm going to go ahead and check this out. We'll go ahead and unbox it, take a look at what we get inside. As you can see, 45 millimeter. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so this is actually called the Moon Dusk, is the color that they show on the Google website. This is the large model, as I have a larger wrist, so I wanted to make sure it's going to fit. This is what they call the Pixel Watch crafted leather band. So this is a higher end band. This band currently for the 45 millimeter is on sale for $74.99, regularly $79.99, so it is a bit expensive, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. So let's open this thing up. Google fashion, we just got the box here with some writing on the side. We've got our little pull tab back here, so let me go ahead and get that off of there. There we go. And let's go ahead and slide it out of the box, just like all the other Google boxes this year. We've got all this recycled paper and materials. Throw that off the side. So just on the back here, you can see Google Pixel Watch 45 millimeter crafted leather band. It says this is crafted leather band, the Moon Dust large. It says it will fit wrists of 175 to 250 millimeters around. This is the official Google band. All right, let's see what we get inside here. Nothing else in there. Throw that off to the side. And let's go ahead and open this up. All right. And there is the band. So at first glance, it looks more gray in person. It probably looks gray under the camera too. But it's kind of a grayish blue color. It's got some stainless steel hardware on it, so let's go ahead and pull those out. All right, and there is the band. So this is, so you can see there's quite a bit of adjustment there. We've got the stainless steel connector that's going to connect to the Pixel Watch 3. Same on this side, stainless steel, just with the pin buckle. It does say on the back here that it is genuine leather. I don't think it listed what kind of leather, but it does feel pretty good. So we'll go ahead and throw this on the watch. If you haven't seen the previous videos and are wondering how to change out your bands, I'll go ahead and put a video up above there. But pretty simple. On each side, you've got this little push button that you're just going to push in, and then you're going to slide your existing band, and it's going to unattach from the case there. So got that one. This band's a little sticky, and we got a little button there. Just pop that in there and slide that toward us. Sometimes these are a little bit difficult to do under the camera. I'm going to take that off camera real quick. All right, and so that's what the watch looks like without the band on. We're gonna go ahead and attach the band. So you just line that up, and these usually slide right in. Some of these bands, the aftermarket bands, don't always fit. This is a Google band, so we shouldn't have any issues there. As you can see, it just slides right in there. And then we'll go ahead and pop this one on as well. And there we go. So that is what the watch looks like with the Moon Dust leather crafted band. So if you're looking for a leather band for your Pixel Watch 3, this is going to be a alternative. Like I said, it is a bit pricey, but let's go ahead and throw it on the wrist, take a look, and see how it fits. And there we go. So that is the that's the band on there. It is a bit stiff because it's leather, so it's going to soften up as you wear it, and it'll form to your wrist. So that's what's nice about leather. Also, probably get a nice patina on it. Does have the two keepers here. So this isn't going to come undone. Once again, it does have that steel, stainless steel buckle with just the pin. But yeah, I do like that. I like that color under the light there. It looks really nice. What do you guys think? Do you think the leather crafted band is worth the $80 price point for your Pixel Watch 3? If not, there's alternatives on Amazon like this nice little fabric loop band, which I've been using for about 3 weeks now. I've used it to work out. It's been really nice, very comfortable. Gives you a nice tight connection, so you're getting those tracking. The one issue I have had is these adapters do get stuck, as you saw earlier on the camera. So that's one thing you do have to watch out about when you get third-party bands, especially for the Pixel Watch. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and always click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.